movement in the everybody moves. What now one movie from Channel R. Okoha wako. One movie be as one idea movie. What ye movie pepemeha. It's movement there. It's part and parcel of the job.
So it's normal.
But normal. But said you obesi akasa.
Oh, maybe movie from station Bianca was
exactly. No, I
don't know.
Because you may never know in the future. What do you get what I'm saying?
I don't buy it.
Mama Mcbrown, yes, no, your faces of product in this hand, Yamano. Now, so ne call a juma
be a one a bit to Yamao and Kunja. Any wardrobe, ne dining, ne bar, any dressing mirror. Oh, my we one a duffel. Isaac, I know be a one a bit to my mouse, and Yama we are a born here for full. Upe taking Kunja, Italy Kunja, Germany, US, Egypt Kunja, first class Isaac, I know be a boy and a bit to my mouth. Another talk Kunja Isaac, I know be a boy, not service car.
So much so any Yamamunamo, Aqua, Moshe, Beam, and mobile, your feeling just say, so whatever my boss one was subscribe, mammy. Share videos, Marvel Frost, and can be commenting to the hammy. Now, or their comment session on me, making canina at their mamma. Kobe 3 weeks in me, and in Yanins, yes, and Mama Mcbrown were free, despite media, I didn't yachemu, a year media general, Busia, and Hong Kong, what a Madaroma. Yadi biago sumo emonim sam dada na Sally yenim say na oyena na ma producer and na wono so ne eba issues about entertainment I wo kire na adwen emma obi ehun say bia niema we na say osogo za ofales so ene ade obedi bi shakawale atemu asemu bia e fa entertainment ho de ono kire na adwen ho na asemi ba ne Sally ampa re ente ne ka wo ho na busua ayam pia wa ba to de ma na Mcbrown anya asem kitwa in way video by a band, I had so I accommodated us.
Betty said, Monday, be not 2 weeks on.
Another
Nah, a giant say, Mama Mcbrown, a giant UTV. For some time now, I ain't so back. Nah, Miss G and Annette Nemu, Edemano.
Power the fam.
Nah, me, my mother, reach out to me, no casa. Yes, he will call. A friend is a media general. And I'm saying, really? With them, you're sure send a bay no quarry. I feel boom. It drew Monday. Introduction or say inauguration or say instrument ceremony. And of course, the park of a media general. Now, in the acceptance, is a day speech in the mono. Now, sister Penimu ye nyina ye wo respect mano ye nim say we ni pass enka o kasa en wo senka ye kra mbofra ye tratra he ye nya asem wo ho eka na so niama bi koso wo ho a eno na ema ye industry enkoyi
sister Penimu
say oh nana Mcbrown
okay
wo kasa ne ade na no no ye se ba bia na ogina na Holy Land
Power the fam.
Na friend say nani agye na oy bedding won so na se say no baby ogina no bedding na free ne so adabraka me ma a little history. That's why I'm sure say most of the people are no motena industry and I say esikafo ne nkofo are no motena industry we mu no ajeman omunye ye showbiz people ni people in the industry ni papa no because
Power
of that.
The fam.
Obi anonim bia ni say me I work with Mama Mcbrown ni producer. Na I
that question bisa de ntia munye dwuma bi. I ask you when
oh no. I mean say I went somewhere also ko ye.
Sure.
That was it. Nti we had the opportunity to go to Fada Dickson ne birthday ade na wo ye every year bian who with the stars UTV day with the stars na Mama Mcbrown in the track ne ku see ho na ye che yam egma patrons on ba ho nyina that was
the all kind nyina kan sama
maybe can be I just want to give a bag we be ka say na we dey na wo ko ho ko head
nti bayra ya chi
me ma wo background ne kakra na that was the first time me who the encounter and the relationship between Ono and a UTV4.
Okay.
Fada treated us. And I'm saying by mere fact say yeah kind of we were treated very well. Mcbrown.
Okay,
we were treated very well. Pa. Yes, son you muti say princess. Asema no can be an IT. Enti na movie industry ni so egu. Ama say no bia tena ho no ye presenting. Omo an omo ko present omo ko journalism school craft. Kuma Woodful bia present it. And now your opportunity and your ma will be at the year. Now Jingo, it's so sad the day that I listened
Power FM
to what Nanama Mcbrown said. Me sure say me met now we Fada wonya me young. I'm sure said that no Fada be super
Saying
because treatment and I said na you treating it is a princess. Ewo place hono. Yes, yet not a one and for people were complaining how on single-handedly na you treating versus omwa no ma ye juma ewo ho acha sa treatment no ye ma wombi nti akake ye namfofo a omo wo ho me ye kan niama eto yasomo nti se panimu wawa industry mu bet say 20 something years na panimu afri baby a panimu akogina baby kase na holy land me jena ya holy land ana ha say ya kire say
Power
kase wan kase ajungo
Holy Land no kind of one.
na ukase na ha na mabet na the Holy Land.
What's wrong with that?
Now, problem.
What is wrong with that?
There's everything wrong with it.
Why?
It wasn't, I want to use the right word. It wasn't a matured way of speaking.
No. Baby of
I don't care baby of free, but because the backstory, me, I'm not in the known to it. But the minimum say, would you be here, Juma? Now, person won't free Juma ni mumpa. There are certain statements and what's a wonka. Backlash I from moving from UTV any idea it wasn't say movement movement in the everybody moves what now one movie from channel R okoha wako one movie be as one idea movie what be movie pepe me ha it's movement there it's part and parcel of the job
so it's normal
but normal but said you obesi akasa.
Oh, maybe movie from station Bianca was
exactly.
No, I don't know.
Because you may never know in the future. What do you get what I'm saying?
I don't bite.
Nanama Mcbrown, yes, no, your faces of product in this hand, mano. Now so ne call a Juman yet na hani nims wayano. Nene acting, na good acting job, a good. It took the special intervention of Fada Dickson and the Despite Group to raise your image again as a person.
No, not image in call form.
No,
you use the word raise.
Say, of course now.
No. Share. You say Nana Mcbrown. Apart from say,
you see, when I'm talking, I want me point.
Because he's also a media personality. 1, 2. Abraham Mcbrown babe hosting that YouTube show. Now or in the kitchen.
You see what I am trying to let you know. You are not understanding. Everything I said, me say no endorsement deals.
Yes, I mean no was
hold on. A 2% won't share me say. Sa platform no national. I'm boosting.
Makasa.
Hey, that's what I'm saying.
50-50.
No, I'm not saying say they didn't benefit. I've not said that. I have not said that. But me, in my opinion, as somebody who sits here, the person that benefited more was Nanama Mcbrown. Because now a friend is saying the acting career no. Industry no career no.
Let me banter you. The acting career, a gift, acting, and industry no semuno. And I want to chuma. We can talk about that.
Okay, me for acting career ne talent ni ade ne ene kosi say dey moving wo ye etiagu enyo no dey na agu industry no na agu sa papa na ekire
pesa o kan sa
agu ama na chese wanim kra no we be hu na ada billboard so yes Mcbrown's kitchen ade no na ekoso ma but we all know say every single program I watch TV so for 2-3 years be still na normal. There's nothing new to it. But UTV, any United Showbiz, you know, gave you me. I was one of the people that were of the opinion say, "Now what's a show no koye." You remember I said that. But what shania be ain't the more koye about the brand. Said the BCR lifting a brand because to be on radio and I said to sit on TV every week for 3 hours, it's not easy. It builds you as a person. Enti senko bia so this 46 and 48 40 say oh nana uno ye wadam for what this say 46
oh no 45 they are doubt
sir when you chess sir no better on Ghana
oh yes I me sure
say
no who can say what industry moving him 25 years or something.
I was 23 years I'm so about 2000 there about no 23 years the person on chess and
okay never for the
20 years it's even funny so course na 18 years and there ajingo adentina obia otume lift boa wo brand the 45 years or lift wo brand for a minute na kasebi be koso to say because ajingo me fan kan say metina hey say me ko ba bi from na me say aha ma bay makuma ta me yem eh ade bi e da me so e free me so
as a power from this way so and me this way
exactly. Do you get what I'm saying? So as no can you know to be very honest it was wrong on all standard. And secondly was a contract ain't no free ho ha oh e me see me sre no papa
contract saying
so say no only contract wo ho
na say contract
me say or say not only contract wo ho but what is contract you can contract as say me say contract any day
agreement between two people
exactly it can be verbal
and it can also
be written form.
Authentic one should be this one.
You see, but you see,
this is the authentic.
Okay, let me give you an example. What you say? There are a lot of niyama you need written document to it.
Intina be to me see another party way.
Hold on, and it's not even a matter of that. Did they do anything that they said we're going to do?
Well, anyway, you and I.
No, but you see, she never said anything about money. She never said.
I've never heard it.
Exactly. She never said anything about say no say no mommy way and no mama me. Because we all know you all know what is there and how they are all feeding very well.
I say
what you say? Of course, do you get what I'm saying? What I am trying to let you people know, they say, what is contract? So contract to say about 5,000 Ghana cedis. Now for almost 4 years and I want to show this no. Every single time. Patriotic I say. Your man yes here the ma busumi bia. E dey na contract.
Power the fam.
I'm sure say or can contract in a relation say. Because of said bibia em bande woman. Tamo PPA and otimi ko. Tamo adwuma pe bi otimi pam no. But me ajingo. Nti adwuma wura person keeping so ananka won so atane. There be unim. You see, Ajungo, there's a way to go about it. Okay.
There's a way to go about it.
All right.
I do not said despite media group, Mcbrown for be hey, they will be dead in my hands.
Oh no. What kind of threat be this?
Me say, idea why ye because matters you say, and penny for the crash. I was some way.
I then
this crying.
And penny for the same way.
Oh, just say me person body. But some of them penny for yes, Fada. Oh, my member, yes, Fada was very sad about it. Very, very sad about it.
Sir.
Close to tears because of the relationship that they had with her.
Oh wow.
What in young person mentioned us?
Sure.
I feel say you should learn something from it. Until now, watch mine. Say na metina o mede me ho abo no. E say metina obi aye mi bibi we adwuma mu mpa. You don't see me complain again because you don't have to burn bridges because you may never know. Tina may catch her despite for say where they may share one anim guase na ye de agu omo. Enti sha no ma anyi ni biem nyesa some of us ye be sere won.
Na the kitchen na onyo ho.
Mate say ye say enche bia no omo be ye free ho. Sa na ya atete say enche bia.
Kitchen we no.
We be ye akoba bia. Okoye. Enti movement ne de.
Normal.
There's nothing wrong with it.
All right.
I was sale nsem a wabeka no me fa ba ko afri mu na na ama de ya kire ya adwe wo ho ami ono so afi no na dwen kire ba wo kire se de na ama aye entwa yi nse Fada Dickson pa enim na so sa to ne sa fe na ama na se omu ye wi se de Fada Dickson e du fa January be odi ne baby na celebrate sin nya akọ no wo so hu na ama wase a obedi YouTube for ho yawo na enya de obe YouTube for di afri nanum obe make sure say obe twabo mu akasa na yes so akasa director mo apa
ya me de
na ko mo
oba
na ma dem so o share o kwa mo be bon so be so because ya na asemi ba de me no me nu ya ka ho asema
yeah kind of great
na Sally so aba be na adwen say na ma ye ko YouTube no na o ina na ma dada but YouTube for a day value be e can na obra o free one ma o make comment say adiswe be free so and kona o ko no be answer contract here into o kwan say obeko according to Sally also one kasa here one ni ya adwen wo
me chia what here for am say ya Sally can make us say we hit the nail right on the head
okay
na ma good image no one say na 70 and say atia ba 30 I'm telling you because yeah
me no so be ka say I increase up 120 date na say 30
yeah be un say ewiase wo ho obia wo kwan say ubefi baby akọ baby but how you do it it show who you are in you within you and now we knew her to be obia sebio oyadonye obia okana asem ema fa inspiration film but ne ye no ye no amama hu and knew something about the Nama that I didn't know. Ungratefulness papa
no say despite media map on saying the cast
no they won't even do it Fada ne despite Oma fa say omo papa because omo mame and your mother goes to classmates. Until we hear omo papa kope. Ye fed juman ntunche. O yo omo bawo. Enti say bibi kra na ebia when you offer bi wo nua. Oh, eja. Pacho we dey. Say ni na pesa me ko. O dwe ho say. Wato ama no. Me pesa me ko. Ba dwe ho say. We ye ba dream ba awkasa.
Enti oji say wa ma omo
oh boy kra na anka wo ko ye no enye ayampia bi a wo to because send your lady ni kind no they've added value to big value na ma fine no oye actress ankofo ni no say oye you know movie ni ma omoni no she's a very good actress no doubt me can say Ghana I mean ni obi a or act better than Nana that one I can fight for but as a presenter no be anymore and you had so many flaws uba ye no station na be say ka do mako police station 1 2 3 no what denti your friends station udi efi cracker station no ba ni nyina no mo bo mani agu so e kwa no mako gina wachi ye betua masa na udi we na ba betua mo ka entwe
ono akasa na video because okasai or say never but you TV dey e ni fie oni baby akọ
no but you fie na wo kọ no
o say oni baby akọ ono na say mo say never okay. Na you TV dey e ni fie
but
oni baby akọ
eno okan say no okwa no okọ eno
okan afan
thank you nipa entina and nipa no necessary so you careful or chino bet me your greatest enemy but they be had me say don't leave a place and make enemies there because if you see one who bet me akọ baby na ye per reference na ye peno ye be bisa baby a ofi buy no ma me one interesting story be na me kwa edwuma place me more place in for a reason na me kwa no mo HR no me X I don't know.
Oh no,
no, I'm X. It's me who no. Now we have about 20 or 30. I about to interview. Or so bang with the money to call them from. I didn't know answer. Yeah, you. Semi and the Bonia, and Kehono, Kenana Kobe. Thank you. And a small space. Oh, it's the piano. What should be? Oh, Fiwa, in a good way. Baby, I'm here to maybe any who are mean to me go hobby. Me to me call was red and one come and then you pay. Oh, what Fiwa man does not mean, say, why the enemy to the place. And you're bad. Oh, yes, I went in because several bound. What are there something to you? At least come on the mountain and your crana, a warmer, a solving bibia, and can you want to be veil. Into your year and make cassette, a train your apartment here. Na many no credit. Why, ye? Yo, Ebusia, was asking ya when you said Banana before Crass or Becono. Na Mishi and na Obetsna and joining the man and Nama, Warrior, and you didn't come mobia, Madaretta, Che, Miss V, baby, wait me show now call, baby, wait me show now funny idea. And now I'm style of presenting Nina, what teaching match, and Ebusia. Miss Michi ever saw show ni last week ya na you mean that dey me na we share views na ebusia enyenika nipa 443 and na ye share we dey yen kwani kwa video na embra na ye ba na ya to encommodate trainers. Ebusia view na da one my the red pen as I ka hu you na Ghana for yes we asem dey we bia na dey yin na so asem dey buy and director bra Miss G take over the show all my explanations be wa na see an response I views 443 because we more dish yin na wo hwe nipa wo show YouTube channel nipa egusu a na mo le show nipa. I'll first show them koi. You see, me and say I was say.
This audience need excitement.
Debbie. Who say TV station and any media house? What we call target audience. A be one for the masses. A be here for corporate people. A be here for the youth, the young, and all that. UTV, primary, for the masses. Like and yet, me person may use the word, but for people who don't really have ideas about the show. Now, Miss G, me are not here for multi-TV, TV3, no. Now, for the entertainment industry, people who understand what entertainment is, two different things. The masses, you get the numbers, but if you want topics now, you're treating, and yet what is affecting the industry. What I say? And that's what the masses want. The excitement, you remember now saying blah 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 and all that. Miss, thank you. Yeah, that is what they wanted to hear. Miss G, no. Oh yeah, let's talk about the issue. Let's find solution to it. What I said. I don't like that from her.
Now, what you say? Show no more telephone from any name. Or more start or more year or more mandate. Because not the way I not him say for entertainment issues. Emma, a brother and I started also this same Sally Bible Tibeka say show no more show on issues about entertainment, not fashion. Emma and I responding and say a show business into fashion is come on show near come. Na more na YouTube focus on you be and the farmer or one because we share me like and yes and can you question numbers and drop it.
No, you see, that's why you people are getting wrong. The show was structured for Nanama. Almost Nanama, the words and structure show no for her. And now I see in a fire. And see, and entertainment, your normal entertainment program, Sonia. I can say now serious issues. Yeah. No, that wasn't what they wanted. They wanted something a bit easy tension, like Saturday night to be easy tension. People just sit down, family, watch and laugh and all that. That was what they wanted. And when you be a bit me, show this. And that was what people knew. Now Miss G, she's a bit too serious. The last show I was near or no promotion. Not to her. And I so since I'm fat. Stand at 10. Then be a message who come on the TV. We are Duma or Doma. What me go see Obia or yet joy a pet company because on no Musa Gratini. Thank you. A hawk crab baby, I joy. I don't for the joy for the do. What I say, that's how yet say no and all that. All men now no sorry no side in front of TV and yes I get it no.
But say entertainment at least false to the union color. Nice spice the app show no one I about it.
And yet that's how she is. The shows in there from Joy Prime to TV3 the shows no na a serious show no and yet way but gradually so no obetime we need some middle class people to the show. People who want to listen to like entertainment we na kasa news.
Na yet to move for so many.
Say yet to go for no motion.
Yeah. Tina what did you and na here to design this show. Mo to e gwa na.
This like as on sere on best people.
It's yet to move for more yen.
Tell me who said from day one make I say some hwe sa numbers na number you get it. The only person who can give them numbers if they want, they can bet with me. AJ pounds. Or bet me a show better than Nanama. I should give them the numbers. It's almost per se. Show the corner almost per se. The only name is Viso. I'm going for AJ pounds.
Now, in CCC, I'm direct about G-Wagon Nanama. Or Peja United Show.
And then the crack. Who said me? There be me can't say me chow.
Yes, I be man and I'm credit to Nanama. Oh, yeah,
make a big guess what there be. But why? You bet me designing a show for a fiancé one. What I say? Show no, you're designing for you. Oh, no be bad. I say you will be in the mold of you. As I showed encore. Silence here. Tina made me say.
In the other for Dickson, no man, yes, our homework and
I'm really surprised.
Yes, I won't say as a yes.
Debbie, I'm really surprised.
I'm ungrateful. And I'm not messy. I didn't see.
Debbie, I feel I'm really surprised. They are me who missing. What is this? Where your wrong move? Where what two are then by a messy and I'm becoming like a prophet. What year I'm becoming because I'm fat. Miss G, why yes, show we are or not obey. Or both I didn't come baby, I should stop. Up percent, because someone pet somebody or in the mold of Nanama. No, man. And I'm giving them the name.
And so would you say AJ pounds?
Oh, bet me, I abrosa.
Nah, only Nanama for UTV now, Onia. And a Onia so free, Onia.
There be Nanama.
Onia, what's now? I said. Somebody can move from despite media to media general, but somebody cannot move from media general to YouTube.
Who bet me a coup? We and 10 hour coup. Me a camel coup. Me general. Now me did a message peja show no. Me pejana. He? See, I didn't trick and say. Now, man, no alcohol. On your time to settle and to move. Time no, you have to settle. No, most women is our time now. Because Miss Gino show no and shana peke. Who the AJ back? Na AJ to me movie show no. Na man no you have killed her. And one no.
But send no plans on making.
No, you need to. When you need to 1 year sir. TV station a best of I'm telling you. Because
you TV say you today show business na so ko na dey be.
Ma me can be show. Media ye woman a mafia game ye bo. What is it?
Politics a mafia game say
media more mafia. Na man no oni aje no strategic. First of all, show na no here, do baby na people were thinking is this woman against MPP? A political. It's almost who say Captain Smart. One man can say or bash way for, but before they know, no, you first saw a MPP person.
Or no one and cast or MPP.
Thank you. Now, one is why a diacon. And no cry, family be war. What I say now, somewhere in your be number, Peja be number the Miss G never better than Yadosuna. You're born you why you said, yeah, I am sorry.
Now, panelists, no share Arnold, Mr. Logic. God A+, almost no more can be on my show here. Debbie, it's not no more Miss G.
Miss G is in full control of the program. or my program being a controversy, like controversy in my.
Na no so na Ghana for your pedo. Yeah, to go for that.
I don't know so onion.
Oh, I try
because so kakra. Training near the man, yes, hold the guests. Make sure say you hold them. Let them say what you want them to say. Don't let them speak anyhow. So it's a program now.
Controversies. It got to a time a man show ni peja because it do Saturday and you maybe I share the receipt. So what I say, but the next trend.
Thank you.
Yeah, blogger.
But unim.
You also shut down Cosronga and of the power of 2 cities. Now take up for grandfather. And why?
That be unim. What really happened? Now I'm got a controversy. But when I'm controlling, that is where AJ Pounds comes in. Because AJ Pounds is the mode of delay kakra. Oh, delay no controversy but controlling no. That is what they need. That is exactly what they need.
And to me, your man won't find it in rain. Now,
I just are not here.
And the uncle baby, because I say you have to move from so high.
Who pushing the saying? And yes, slit and cover, son of a corner. And fat. Who pushing the said day? There, no, so Zabasa answer. Make a time, they say, oh, sorry, sir. My
Ghana man tonight, I say, stations behind your master, I feel a Ghana man to the UTV for that over the answer. And they said, oh, Moya Ghana man. Who you said, also quiet of worship. Say, yeah, baby, you way now, and the music at least or my address to the part to power, whoever shouted the answer to Ghana man. My boss at the end to say, good, come and quack, I'll be my own to me shaking. Who need Ghana man tonight? Yeah, no, so can
now I'm a bit front to my nose of the shaky action. I don't cry that appeal, and I said, come on. And yet, Nippon or show no so no. Was see one or yes serious show. And yet, so
I won't say you're back. Popularity now, and I'm was switching this year.
It's not true. When we come to the entertainment presentation, obedient minute Miss G S and it to I'm telling you.
And you're not making
audience. Debbie, it's a see, I know why I won't entertainment show.
Debbie, make audience now.
Debbie, before any Miss Sunimona.
But my also and I
Debbie said, always said the acting.
Yes, opportunity to see.
Of course, Kuma will.
One of just I wouldn't need this so can be an affect to show. Because Nana member all the fans and a buy. And then the fans were supposed to see and fans and making 70% of Nana fans no more go.
Sentina me see for AJ Mcbrown. AJ no. Nieti am so or your master stroke no. Oni ho no or one afans me wa. Thank you.
Ba AJ ni fans.
Me ba me body ye kira. Oni na fe na ma ko be fans wo. AJ no fans.
Or the fans be.
Thank you. Number 2 or why acting. It's a bass, and all that. Good. Now, about presentation, AJ about 10 times better. I remember the acting part, the fun part, and still give you a good presentation. This is a master stroke. Say you TV to me for AJ Bar, the show will become #1 in Ghana. There be person may catch you. Oh, never. Oh, so a nice girl. It is a Miana can make fun.
But I am married woman.
Miss Miana, say pastors America. But the parents this is business. Me, I look at the talent. Age talent, no. Say, oh, yeah, baby, to say UTV. Obedient, you know. I'm telling you, in the entertainment, obedient, you know.
There are times I won't person bet say UTV or Malu so baby. Because Nanama no. Yeah, shall Nanama domain and I. Sa domini in an lady Chia or Modiba United Showbiz and man numbers in a course room. Although UTV forgot or motor, UTV don't make crowd mono. There was some aspects, there was some level be. Nanama so the different and don't buy. And they say, what police are crowding in Adi or Moko.
Oh, don't wait.
What was I told you? I don't know.
Mammy. Metnaha no man can maybe prophets.
Okay.
6 months from now, we won't be talking about Nanama as we are talking now. Trust me.
Didn't
The value will be like half. Baby of you value not drop it about 50%.
Didn't drop it.
Was it?
So sure not the on M5 and I said
so viewership in Ghana now. YouTube needs me more that viewership.
And I 440.
It doesn't matter. It means that you viewers no normal pay. The way I let in presenting normal pay. And your TV station, you know. And that shows somewhere and I get it. What
I make you say, I know I want to make you say. Sir, other shows no meaning say UTV, I was our numbers. But when it comes to United Showbiz, no, on Sukuta, reviews or the
one. Cast how? But
it is a image cried in the power from back. The same thing will happen.
And yet, no cry, Missing power to Minchia, Fada to Minchia, not compare AJ Pounds, but Scabby or Baby Amufamano. I'm telling you, the show may be a bit, so I am I'm telling you. When you're way, if you know me from day one, I've been saying this and you know my stance. I'm a palm of animal. Now my figures no nyano, a bad double. I'm telling you. Because they still need somebody. Controversy that does on them. If you are, I'm to me, so we go to show. And the time frame was too wide. Yes, started 9. Near you are 2 a.m.
Oh, that's how we say a weekend. If you are to be PA. Now, at that time, Mammy, if you on my mobile live worship, if you on my Kwame Eugene about shut up,
yeah, friend, baby production ethics. Yes, you leave the stage when the cheers are on loudest. And no member Obidebia will come and watch. Now, me shana fair from here. Member.
And yes, the same.
It's a son no one's son. Next, I come and consult me. Now be Charles son. Send me a consultant, media consultant guru, or my consultant. I'm in trouble because busy.
You only were living fair when AJ
yeah, AJ, and I said AJ can do it now, and I said delay, but delay na sanosa. What I say? Some controversy. There be controversy now, babe. I controversy now, babe. Controversy now, babe.
Ebe. Delay I met on my bed, the dimension.
One, Kabama, a hawker butu.
Obey. Sassy or so, kind of night to see. No, besides, straight questions. Upe, one of the serious presenters in Ghana. Ultimately, delay. I make you say,
what the man member Boma? No, and that's serious as well. Make us serious as the
family serious in the number. Yes, I'm serious. I mean,
delay, what she brings on board is naughtiness. That naughtiness a bit, or can't some now baby or original, and then her ability to make you say what you want to say. I know the age and your maca, but me patches a whoopia, obetimia, Bema can and some pa.
Now, show me what come back and was some.
Oh, that's something common, some to me can or what you can hear more. Some members here more, it's me.
Now, who did say paralysis and some way
you see,
because also some born and I'm a crash.
Long while. Now, man, no need how to pull them. But when no pull or control, every the only difference. It's when he'll be obey or unleash you. I guess unleash her. Obi Ohonoma, don't cage the person.
And another said the side, there may be a UTV and United Showbiz now when you.
There be who said, beginning.
So now when you do best on your punk, I don't so say.
Who said, and told you?
I told you.
They should come and consult me.
I told you.
Beginning now.
I should have a view.
Forget, only a view back. Yes. That time now, almost started some more year, way back. Now they were looking for somebody. I told me the Bami kind.
But if you was niggas, or Bow be hosting showing
Massa Giant, Sab in the money. Or bar any and can show that the Bubutu. Come on, a police in Suda for Aquaco, ransack your own. Well, no beer, I didn't battle show home, or one kind of bring one home, or I am fine.
But yes, I have very dinner if you are hosting.
One show,
and I want to be or was too showing.
Oh, yeah, who's it? I don't know so much you are hosting, allowed to be hosting.
Me, Cassie,
oh, maybe so. By your popular mouth that at that thing. Bibi obi enye bi that. That's what the extra hold me. All guys over said. Obeki can say me am na said.
Say no one some control. Some what to control and
control. You don't need to control your host. Debbie, so controlling I
oh, if you are Mr. Where the card first one. But so in safety or on my and coca.
Rebecca and the part of her, she said. Yeah, catch us 2 years, Kamanin Casano, Undocasa.
Yeah, Casamanica. Yes, Manica Sentino.
Just 2 years.
What shall be there? One way to go. Who is it? That's where she went. I will hear you.
Sarah, what about now? Would like camera natural? What to me, Rebel guy say if you're dying? What to me?
Oh, Father, they will say,
oh, forget.
Oh, see, Father, Sam. Then I never pardon.
Then I umpire, Father, and not to talk bombs.
Now, send the another question and award.
There be not Father producer or a seasoned producer.
May just
producer be a man said, cut the show. And now some Montreal I say, and some can and but they didn't do that. No,
I be almost so many veteran. Oh, say, oh, yes, sure, need to time, yeah. And do Saturday, maybe I almost ran you. Maybe I want to see.
Maybe I fear. Now, Obi to one notice. Obi to one.
Yes, I will come in on the way. Yes, sure, your friend said, shut me a+, near a bulldog near Cash Nigga Crew. As a moye in such a way, say, do Saturdays, and my training because I buy a tornado. I bet it Mr. Logic at time, no, my baby video. Now, bloggers, ya far. In Tabia, who said, baby, maybe a day fan. Almost no more dark, that's a complaining. It's possible, and I must make cannot see. May try to us here and go find again. But my secure integrity. What do you call it? By a castle, I cannot swear. And you're the same thing in the end. Oh, now I don't know you don't go about that trend. And you at times, you know, so be in your mini panel here at Soria. And so comes to him who got death. Yes, and I shall me John the Baptist. Or no one or Codefia, me John the Baptist. I said, you can say, and Bema, we are not trying to walk or be or anything or better one. Try to say, wait there and yet. Simple. See the info, but the people listen to what they are doing, you still get your trend. And see the crap, AJ pounds. Yen sharp. And then your moon, you know. Our money here show what you next week. We'll be at 300 views. Nice, because also she a Juma why no yeah na say obeko na option views there be a one more say Miss G say Juma because on no obi anya Juma and yes sapo Miss G who say training here training we na buga training. What to me yet? Maybe or yen so okay, be omunni obi afọ now. Eh temper. To be omunni because shoe way aso chame. And yes aso chame so wonnim ni. Shoe way no dey kwasha na ma ya because ebra ye dey man work say babwa ne so. Shoe dey so dey share na. Shoe dey so but Fada who tie me a. Kwana kofa AJ Pulse bra. Obeye show na ma. Me call YouTube no ma go catch ro. Omo kofa na mra. Sharp. Now, yeah, I want to be host. Oh, Debbie. Me producer, I meet me a producer. But host, dear Debbie, means me. Assassin's out as I meet this. I had a Roman crime. Did you make any nice? Miss G, me, I'm a share numbers. Said I'll go for a see answer. No, Nya Coba woman is a TikTok and tell me be a training. Now I say, yeah, treat you, Miss G or TikTok on this one. I don't know. Where their friend say if they went to a to their cap ready. I don't know. I can say the video goes on to me. You made the name. Also, I didn't tell me a comment section. Making Canina, Eddie, among meeting Eddie and Efia, my craft.